In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed your Twitter timeline on your WordPress website with no coding needed. This is by using the Smashballoon Twitter Feed Pro plugin. To get started, visit smashballoon.com and purchase Twitter Feed Pro. Once purchased, you can find your download link and license key for the plugin inside your Smashballoon account. Download Twitter Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Now, inside your dashboard on the left-hand side, hover over Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Next, click on Upload Plugin and upload the zip file for Twitter Feed Pro. Once that's done, click Install Now. After that, click Activate Plugin. And there we go, Twitter Feed Pro has now been installed and activated. To get started with our Twitter feed, we'll first have to activate the license key. On the left-hand side, you'll now notice Twitter Feed. Go ahead and click on that. And at the top here, we can paste our license key like this. Next, click Activate. Now our license key has been activated, and we can begin creating our Twitter feed. To get started, click on Add New. And for the first step of creating our Twitter feed, we'll have to select the feed type. We have 3 different options to choose from, including the user timeline, hashtag, and search. For this video, since we want to embed our Twitter timeline, we can go with the user timeline option that's already selected for us, so we can click Next. And now, we'll have to add a source for our Twitter feed, which means that we'll have to enter a Twitter handle over here. For this video, let's enter the Smashballoon Twitter handle, like so. Once that's done, we can click Next. And for the final step of creating our Twitter feed, we'll have to select a template for the layout of our feed. We have options like the default, masonry cards, simple carousel, simple cards, and more below. For this video, let's go with the masonry cards template. Once selected, click Next. And almost instantly, we have a live preview of our new Twitter feed inside the plugin. The feed features the latest tweets from the Smashballoon Twitter account. At the top of the feed, we have a header with a Twitter account name, profile picture, bio, number of tweets, and number of followers as well. And inside each tweet, we have the account name, when that tweet was posted, and the tweet content. Underneath that, we have the number of likes, retweets, and comments. And we also have a button here to view the tweet on Twitter. This feed is now ready to be embedded inside our live WordPress webpage. But before I show you how to do that, let me show you how we can customize this feed. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, click on Feed Layout. Over here, you'll find several options to modify the layout of your Twitter feed. Currently, we have the masonry layout selected, which displays your tweets in rows and columns like this. Above that is the list layout that displays your latest tweets in a single column list. And lastly, we have the carousel layout, which displays your tweets in a swipeable carousel like this. For this video, let's continue with the masonry layout, and if we look below, we can also choose how many columns we want inside your Twitter feed. Currently, we have 3 columns, as you can see inside the preview, but if you want to modify that, you can change it like this. Open it up, and select the number of columns you want to display. For example, 2 columns. Straight away, you can see that change made inside the live preview. Now our Instagram feed is displaying 2 columns. I'm going to change that back to 3. Underneath that, you can also choose how many tweets you want to display inside the feed initially. Currently, we have 9 tweets, but if you want to modify that, just enter the number of tweets you want to display. For example, let's change it to 4, and you can see that change made instantly inside the live preview. Our feed is now only displaying 4 tweets. Let's change that back to 9. And if you're happy with the layout of your Twitter feed, click Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to modify the colors on your Twitter feed, under the Customize tab, go into Color Scheme. Inside this menu, you can see that we currently have it set to inherit from theme, which means that your Twitter feed will automatically match the design of your WordPress theme. Alternatively, you can go with the light theme, dark theme, or even a custom theme that allows you to select the exact colors you want for your feed over here. And once you've found a color scheme you're happy with, make sure to click Save on the top right corner. Lastly, if you want control to moderate the tweets inside your feed, go into the Settings tab and click on Filters. Inside this menu, you can choose whether you want to include replies and retweets inside your feed. Next, you can also add words as filters, so that your feed only allows or blocks tweets containing those words. And if I scroll down to the bottom, you also have the option to hide tweets manually. With these filtering options, you have complete control of the tweets you display inside your feed. And if you've made any changes, click Save on the top right corner. Now that you know how to create and customize your Twitter feed, let me show you how we can embed it inside your WordPress webpage. To do that, click Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, then click on Add to a page. Next, select the page you want to add your feed to, then click Add. And here we are now on our live WordPress webpage, and to embed our Twitter feed, we have 2 different options. The first option is by using our dedicated Twitter feed block. Alternatively, we can go with the shortcode block and paste the shortcode that we just copied earlier like this. Once that's done, we can click on Save and check it out on our live WordPress webpage. And here we are on our live WordPress webpage, and right in the middle is our brand new Twitter feed. This feed features the latest tweets from the Smashballoon Twitter account in the masonry template that we selected. Inside each tweet, we have the Smashballoon account name, profile picture, when that tweet was posted, a Twitter icon on the top right corner to indicate that this is a tweet. We have the Twitter content, and the photo or video if they're available as well. Underneath each tweet, we have the number of likes, retweets, comments, and a button to view the tweet on Twitter. At the top of the feed, we also have a header, which includes a Twitter profile picture, account name, a button to follow on Twitter, number of tweets, the number of followers, and the Twitter bio as well. If I scroll down to the bottom of the feed, we also have a Load More button. If I click on that, that will load additional tweets directly inside our Twitter feed on our WordPress website. If we go to the top of the feed and inside the header, if we click on follow, that will take our site visitor directly to our Twitter profile, making it super convenient to convert site visitors into Twitter followers. And that's how we can create, customize, and embed a Twitter timeline feed like this. Just a few easy steps with no coding needed. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you experience any technical issues, please contact our awesome support team. They'd be happy to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn about social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.